Filipino or Philippine resident tourists at a total of about 11 million tourist volume this year, a 9% increase compared to last year figure.
Okay, sige lang.
Last year figure.
We'll begin with question 1. Question 1, please. Go.
Given the economic turmoil affecting our traditional sources of visitors, what is the department doing to keep those tourist arrival numbers growing? Our projection for 2009 is
2009, hindi 2009. 2009. Go. Our projection
for 2009 is 3 to 3.1 million foreign tourists and 8 to 8
to 8
and 8 to 8.5 Filipino and Filipino or Filipino.
Sige lang.
Again. Our projection for 2009 is 3 to 3.1 million foreign